There's a certain kind of frustration that every brand owner knows. You have the vision, you just don't have the team, the budget, or the time to execute it. The Asset Generator is Tagshop's answer to that. One place, every visual you need, built entirely from your words.
In the Video tab, and you'll see 3 ways to create. Start with Omni-Reference. This is the most powerful one. Upload up to 5 images, an audio clip, or reference videos, and simply tell the AI where each one goes in your prompt. First and last frame is perfect when you know your beginning and your end. Upload both images and let the AI write the middle. It's surprisingly good at it. And text to video is exactly what it sounds like. Describe your scene, pick your settings, and let it generate from a blank canvas. Choose your model, aspect ratio, resolution, and duration, and send it. The Image tab follows the same logic. Upload a reference if you have one, pick your model from the drop-down. Each one tells you exactly what it's best at. Set your ratio, write your prompt, and generate. One prompt, one credit.
A visual that would have taken a whole afternoon is now ready in seconds. This is what building a brand looks like now. Not slower, not harder, just smarter. Go make something.